Now let's talk about the CSS text. Inside this video, we'll discuss about the text color, how we can give the text color. We have already discussed about it, but we'll again discuss about it again in this video. After that, text alignment. Sometimes we have to put our text into the center position or left position or the right position, and we can implement it through the text alignment properties in CSS. After that, text decorations, and text decoration means the text sometimes we need overline text, sometimes we need a underline text, or we need sometimes a line through text. So we can implement through these such types of situations using the text decoration properties in CSS. After that, we will discuss about the text transformations. So through these properties, we can convert our text into the uppercase, lowercase, or in the capitalized text. So after that, text spacing. So inside this text spacing, we can indent our text. We can make out the space between the word and the space between the letter, and also we can define the height of this two line. After that, we'll discuss about the text shadow. We can give the vertical shadow and the horizontal shadow, and also we can give the color to the shadow. So first of all, let's go into the VS Code and let's explore this example. At first, create a new file here and just give the name CSS TEXT.html. And in this video, I'm going to use the code snippets from here, and also I use only the internal CSS from here. You can change the title from here. You can give the CSS text. And inside this body part, first of all, let's create one paragraph here. And if I give some Lorem text here by typing the Lorem, and if I click on this go live option here, now we can see the output as the normal output. This is our Lorem text. And if I again go into the VS Code from here, and I want to give some style to this text, and to keep the internal inline CSS, we have to use the style properties, style attribute from here. And if I use the color property here, and if I keep the red value here, and if I again go into the browser, now you can see our color is changed into the red color. This first part is known as the color property. So first of all, I want to press Ctrl KC, and I want to write here the CSS color, okay, color properties. After that, we'll discuss about the another properties, that is the text align property. So again, I want to make here the comment here, that is by pressing the Ctrl KC, I want to write here the text align properties. So text alignment properties, okay. So first of all, I want to write here again the p tag, and inside the p tag, I want to make the style. And inside the style, I want to write here some text. This is, okay, this is PARAGRETS paragraph. And inside the style, I want to just give here the text align properties from here. Text align, if I use here the center properties, now you can see our text is on the center. And if I make it as left, and then our text goes into the left side. And if I again write this text align to the right, then our text goes into the right side. So in this way, you can use the text align properties. So likewise, you have another properties in text align, that is, if I write here the text align and text align last properties, text align, and the last, and it will only affect the last line of our text. So if I write here something like text align right, text align last, and if I put here from the right side, and if I write some the Lorem text here, hello rem Lorem, and also hello rem Lorem text, and if I go into the browser, now last line of text is started from the right side. So it only affects the last line of our last line only, okay. And now we'll discuss about the text decoration properties. So if I make here again here one comment, and pressing the Ctrl KC, and if I write here the text decoration, DECORATN decoration, and inside the text decoration, I want to make the p tag again here, and I want to use the style here, and I want to give the text decoration properties, text decoration line properties I want to use. And if I write here the underline, if I want to make the underline, and I can give the message as this is underline. And if I again go into the browser, now I got this is underline text, and I got the underline from here. And again, if I go to here, and if I write here the overline, and if I write here the overline or whatever message I give, now this is I got the overline from here. Likewise, if I write here the overline, underline, and now you can see I got both overline and the underline. If I need the line through value from here, and if I write here the line through, okay, then if I got here the line through, this is our deleted text. So to represent the deleted text, we can write here the line through properties from here. And we have another property, that is the text transform. So again, I want to create here the another comment here, and I want to write here the text transform, okay, TRANS transform. And if I write here the only F3 tag here, and if I give style, and if I type here the text transform properties, and if I write here the uppercase, and inside the heading section, if I write index here, then it will automatically convert it into the uppercase. And if I write here the some letter capital, okay, some capital letter, and then the some small letter, okay, some capital letter. And if I write here the lowercase properties value here, and if I go into the browser, now this will convert into the lowercase only. And if I write here the capitalized value, it will convert the first letter is into the capital, and the remaining part it will remain the same. It will remain the same. So okay, if I write here all the letter in small letter in this way, then it will convert the first letter is into the capital. So this is the text transform properties. And again, I want to write here the another property, that is text shadow. If I press Ctrl K C, and I want to write here text shadow property here. And inside this text shadow properties, I want to write here the asterisk tag again. And if I want to give it style, and I want to give the value as, first of all, use the property that is text shadow property. And I want to give the 2 pixels for the horizontal shadow, vertical shadow, and the shadow effect, that is 3 pixel, and I want to give the red color. And if I can go into the browser, now this is nothing text I'm written here, and if I write this in shadow property here, shadow as a text value here, and if I go into the browser, now you can see this is horizontal 2 pixel shadow, vertical 2 pixel shadow, and the 3 pixels the blur effect, and then the red is our color. So in this way, you can use the different CSS text in the CSS text properties. So if you get any confusion regarding this video, you can ask me in the comment section. We have discussed about the color properties, text align properties, text decoration properties, text transfer properties, and text shadow properties. So if you got stuck anywhere, then you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so very much for watching this video. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel and share this video. Thank you.